Hi, my name is Brandon. I'm the sales manager at Ardi Technology Corp, Taiwan. Ardi was established in 2007 with the experience of beyond a decade. We are the expert in wireless technology. Today, I'm going to show you our Bluetooth access control system, BAC19. Get rid of the traditional passcode, proximity card, or even annoyed fingerprint operation. Your smartphone is now your e-key. There are 3 unlock methods. First, app unlock. Second, near field unlock. And third, key fob unlock for those members who may not have a smartphone or not familiar with a smartphone. In addition to unlock methods, for the reason we may never be the only user after having the lock, e-key sharing will be another concern. We are now having 2 approaches for sharing the e-key: face-to-face by QR code scan, remotely by email. There are 1 owner and up to 33 shared e-key for every single lock device. For being friendly to aftermarket users, SB22A will be an add-on working with your existing electronic draw bolt. So now, just enjoy your smarter life with Ardi.